In this video, we show how to replace the right control panel in a PowerEdge R670. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the right control panel with the drive backplane cover removed, disconnect and unroute the data cable from the HPM. Pull the cable out from underneath the clip, and then remove the two screws securing the right control panel in place. Then slide the control panel out the side of the system. To install the right control panel, align it with the system. Then install the two screws to secure it in place. And then route and connect the cable. And route the cable and then reconnect the cable to the HPM. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R670, visit dell.com/support.